Mzansi fashion scenes, but today it is going to be Mzansi gossip scenes. Oh, Mimi and Mikey. You know what it is giving? This saga between Mihlali and Mike. It's giving Letty's and Dozam after a breakup. It's giving Letty's and Dozam after a breakup. And Mike, why would you want to embarrass yourself like this? Mike, the greatest of all times, why would you want to embarrass your wife like this? Going after an influencer, telling the whole world that you have paid 300k for Punyaza. Not only 300k, 300k plus, because you've been gifting her things, roses, dresses, and whatnot, allegedly. Why would you do that? As for Bobby, 70k just to give someone else's number. Wow. Yes, Bobby and Mihlali, they saw how much of a simp Mike is, and they decided to scam him. They saw how much of a simp he is, and then they decided to scam him. Because what do you mean, Uguti? 70k just to get, I mean, 100, he demanded 100k and Mike negotiated 70k. So what do you mean 70k for someone else's number, for Mihlali's number? Wow, they really scammed him. Cause wow. And Mihlali, you're not helping, baby, by issuing a statement saying that this guy is stalking you. Why aren't you addressing the fact that you owe him? You didn't fulfill the end of your deal. So you're saying that the 300k was a gift. So if someone gives you, he has no right to your body. We get that. Mara, why aren't you addressing the fact that he wants his money back? Why aren't you addressing the fact that whether you're going to give him his money back or you're not going to give him the money back? So you're basically saying that those things were a gift and he should just stop contacting you and stalking you, and you have left everything in the hands of SAPS, South African Police Service. Oh wow. Mihlali, you're always trending for the wrong reasons, my darling. You're always entangled with a married man. Like you are an influencer with a side hustle of hustling married men. Not so long ago, you were trending for being with a married man in a club. You trended for having a fling with a manager of a drug rehabilitation center. Now you're trending because a married man is chasing you for his money. So, which means you're an influencer with a side hustle of hustling married men. Like, aren't there any men that are in her caliber, that are single, that are sharing her? There isn't a man that is out there single and that wants Mihlali. Or does she have a kink for married men? Because what is this now? Oh wow. So actually Boiti wasn't lying when she said that she can get however much money for being a girlfriend per month. Was it 450k? A $250,000? Which means she wasn't lying. And she was having this conversation with Mihlali. And Mihlali was there saying, yeah, that's a lot. I only get about 100k. And that is what it is being alleged, that Mihlali was demanding per month if she were to get in a relationship with this guy. So it's like terms and conditions get discussed. That I'm gonna give you this, I'm gonna give you that for you to be my girlfriend. Oh wow. I'm not saying that they're not getting money from their influencing gigs, because Mihlali at some point she was the highest paid Instagrammer in Africa. She was on Forbes and 30 under 30. She does make money. Mihlali does make money, but she's greedy. She's like, no, I have to use my beauty to get money from these men. It's actually giving Saweri, because we know that Saweti get money from the influencing and whatnot. But she was an escort as a side hustle. So it means that in the entertainment industry. You can actually be an escort while working. It's giving yachting. In America, they do have this high-end word of describing prostitution, and they call it yachting, whereby people go on these expensive watches to sell their pum pum, to get money from these rich people, to supplement their income. Wow. Wow. But 300k just to be in my that's a lot of money. She's worth a lot of money. Her presence is worth a lot of money. But I wish that she could clean up this act very soon, the messes, because it seems like God is showing her that, you know what, this is not the path for you, my baby. Because her things always get exposed. She always get exposed. So I don't know. I feel like she should just leave these things all together, or she should do them where they do not know her. If a man wants to hook up with her, she should be like, oh, we should fly out to Mauritius, we should fly out to Zim, we should fly out to Eswatini, so that people don't see us, people don't photograph us, and all of that. And she's right to make them sign an NDA, because, whoa, Mike is singing, okay? Oh wow. So tell me how you feel about all of this down in the comments, and I'll chit chat with you later. Bye.